Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarta Rupani, and if you guys want to come to Canada without paying consultant fees, then you're at the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to create your Express Entry profile. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Okay, in order to apply for Express Entry program, the first step is to create your Express Entry profile, and for that you need to go to their official website, which is called cic.gc.ca, and in the search box you will write Express Entry. Then click the search button and it will give us some links. So we will have to click how Express Entry works link. Now it will bring us at this page. Now click submit your profile from step 3 and it will bring us to this page. So scroll this page down, then click create or sign into your account. So first of all, we need to create our account by using GC key option, and then we will click sign up, accept terms and conditions of use, and then create your unique username and password. After you created your username and password, it will bring you at this page to create your recovery questions, and the purpose of these questions is just to make your account secure. And guys, don't forget to note down and save your question and answers that you created in this section, just in case if you forget them in the future. Now at this point you have completed your sign up. Now click continue, accept terms and conditions, and it brings you at this page where you need to enter your all the basic information such as your given name, your last name, your email address, and preferred language. And then again you need to create your security questions, such as in this section I'm going to enter my favorite actor, my favorite movie, favorite food. So you can select your own choice of questions and answers, and then click continue, which brings you at this page and it says your account. It will show the account under your name, and then you can start an application. Now in your case, because you are applying for Express Entry, so you will click apply to come to Canada, the first link, and then this is the page where you can check your eligibility criteria for Express Entry if you haven't done before. So click Express Entry and find out if you are eligible to apply by answering these questions. For example, the first question is the province or territory you are most interested in. Here I selected Alberta, just an example. And the next question is about your language test results, and guys, you must have your language test results before you create your Express Entry profile, because you need to enter the score and the date on which you have given your test for listening, writing, speaking, and reading. And the next questions would be about your skilled work experience, and guys, at this point you should know your National Occupation Classification Code, which is NOC. And guys, if you're not aware what NOC is, then don't worry about it, because I have explained it into detail in my previous videos, and the link is given in the description box. So guys, go back and check it out. And it is very important to know your NOC, because for Express Entry, the acceptable NOCs are from skill level 0, A and B that I've already explained in my previous videos, as I said. Okay, so the next question is about your qualifications. If it is from Canada, so your answer will be no if it is not. And the next question is about proof of funds, that how much money you're bringing to Canada, and that all depends on family members including you. So for example, if it's only you who's coming to Canada, then you will enter just one. And if your partner or spouse is also coming to Canada with you with your kids, then you need to enter the number accordingly and then press next. And guys, the link for proof of funds I am mentioning in the description box just for your reference. So guys, go there and check out how much money is required for how many members. And the next question is about, do you have a valid job offer in Canada? Then answer would be no if you don't. And what is your date of birth? Just enter your date of birth, and your foreign education that you have, and that has to be assessed from one of the agencies such as University of Toronto or West. I've already spoken about these agencies or organizations in my previous videos. Okay, so the next question would be if your relatives are in Canada, or if you have studied in Canada, or if you have Canadian work experience. So just check whatever applies to you and click next. And the next question would be about your marital status, in which you will have to show the status as well as if your spouse or partner is coming to Canada with you. Has she or he studied in Canada, or do they have Canadian work experience? What is the score in language test? So these are all the questions that you need to answer. Okay, so after answering all the questionnaire, they will bring you at this page if you are eligible to apply for express entry. So basically, these are number of steps that are required to complete your express entry profile and submit it. So when you click continue, then it will bring you at this page where you will have to enter the information again, such as your family name, your first name, your gender, and your date of birth. And then your marital status, and if your spouse or partner is coming to Canada with you or not, and then some basic information about your spouse or partner, such as their last name, first name, date of birth, and then click next. That brings you at this page. And guys, this is the page where you create your profile, and it consists number of sections that you need to complete. So technically these are electronic forms that you need to fill out. So let's start from the first one, and that's personal details. So all you have to do is just enter your personal details, such as names, which is already there, your gender, your date of birth is also there, and enter country and city of birth, and then click next. Your marital status is also there, whatever you have entered before. Click next, and then you need to enter your passport or national ID document information, such as passport number, expiry date, issue date, and where it was issued. So after entering all the information, all you have to do is just save and add, then click next. Okay, so as soon as you complete all these sections, it will show complete and it will turn into green. Since I wanted to keep this video short, that's why I showed you just the first section, and rest of the sections are super easy and super straightforward, guys, because all you have to do is just enter your information in those sections the way I demonstrated for the first section, which is personal details section. However, I wanted to show you the applications detail section because it is the most important one, in which you want to show your interest for PNP to provinces and territories. So I would recommend you guys to select all provinces and territories options so that you can receive letter of interest from any of those provinces or territories. Similarly, the section below is for your spouse or partner. So all you have to do is just go through one by one and fill out all the information, such as name, gender, date of birth, place of birth, work experience, education, IELTS score, and all the related information. Okay, once you have completed all the sections, I would recommend you guys to review each section few times before submitting it in order to avoid mistakes, because once you submit your profile, you won't be able to edit it. And when you're confident about all the information that you have provided in this profile, then click continue button, and then it will bring you at this page, that is declaration and electronic signature, where you agree that all the information which is provided in this profile is correct as per your knowledge. And guys, you should definitely read it before you do electronic signature. Please ensure that you don't provide any wrong information, because Canada agency is going to cross-check all this information with the documents that you will provide in the future, and your CRS score will also be calculated based on this profile. Anyways, enter your first name, your last name, and then answer the security question, and then click sign. It will bring you at this page. And guys, this is very last step to submit your profile. So please ensure that the information you have provided in your profile is correct to the best of your knowledge, because once you press transmit button, you cannot change anything in your profile. If you do that, your application could be rejected. Okay, so after verifying all the information, you press transmit button. which will bring you at this page, and it says congratulations, you have successfully submitted your application or profile. And then you will receive a confirmation number that your profile has been submitted, and they will communicate with you through your account, and that's all. So that was a step-by-step process to complete and submit your express entry profile. And once you're done with that, then don't forget to log out from your account just for the security reasons. Okay, so that was pretty much it for today, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. If you find this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.